I'm Carmine from Umberto's, and this is Cooking with Carmine. Today we're gonna do a classic Fettuccine Alfredo. We're gonna start by heating up the pan and adding a little butter to it. Let that melt down a little bit. I'm gonna add some heavy cream. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Then we're gonna add some cheese. Now it's starting to come together. It's gonna start getting a little thicker. The butter and the cream and the oil from the cheese normally doesn't want to stay together. So we're gonna have to suspend it, and what we do is we use an egg yolk to do that. Stir it in there nicely. There we go, that's perfect. Now we're gonna add our pasta to it. Stir that up. If you want it a little bit more cheesy than me, you add a little bit more grated cheese to it, another stir, and go to plate. Classically, we finish it with a little black pepper on top, and bon appetit.